Hey guys, welcome back to Divine Dose Delight. My name is Willovina. This is Divine Dose Delight, where I give you divine messages and little doses to give you delight. We've been MIA for some time now, but we are back. Today's video is going to be Faith in Motion. If you know what that is, that means just vlogs of my life, and I'm going to do them every week. So Faith in Motion is going to be weekly vlogs. Not weekly vlogs, sorry. Vlogs of the week. So like, it's going to be from Sunday to Saturday or whatever. It's gonna be like a long vlog that I'm gonna just do because I don't like to cut them up. You know what I'm saying? So we're back, and today we got a lot going on. Especially this week, we got a lot going on that I'm really excited to record. A lot of big moves. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, I just needed a fire lit under me, and it was, and now we're here. The goal is to get back into the Bible, back to praying, back to consistency, the word, back to building endurance, back to building stamina, so that I can be able to endure what there is to endure. You know what I'm saying? So today a lot's going on today. I have a brother, one of my brothers. Alright, so we're eating right now, so my brother's eating. And something I want to show y'all is I got a cat. Where's my cat? Come here, cat. Okay, my cat does not want to come right now, but we got a cat. But Jeremiah's right there. We're about to go eat. I'm about to get ready because I have to go to work today. So I'm just gonna get ready. Just do my makeup and my hair. Literally just do my makeup. That's all I'm doing. Yeah. So then we're going to Dollar Tree to go buy some like art things to paint. And yeah, and then I'm gonna go home and then I'm gonna go to work. So I'm gonna eat my yogurt and an energy drink and listen to Secret Success Podcast. Listen to the Secret Success Podcast by Eric Thomas. What y'all know about Eric Thomas? What y'all know about CJ? What y'all know about Jamal? What y'all know about what's his name? I forgot his name. But the whole crew, the whole 4 people, they got me through high school. They got me working on 4 a.m.s, and we're back. Like I told you, we're back. So like now all I do is listen to them. I don't binge watch TV anymore. Like God really like took me and saved me, and we here. All it took was just one good friend, one good voice, one good leader, one good angel to speak into my life and move me forward. So we're here, guys. So let's get ready, do my makeup, and hurry up and go to the Dollar Tree and get some arts and crafts. And welcome back. Let's get into it. Oh, here's my cat. Oh, my cat does not want to come. Let me show you guys my cat. Cat, I want to show you to the camera. Come here, cat. Come here, kitten. Livy, come here. Okay. Let me show you guys my cat. Here's my kitten. This is my kitten. His name is Livy. Hey. 14 weeks today. So yeah, let's get ready. Alright, we're about to head out, guys. Bye, cat. Alright, bye. It's too hot outside, okay? I'll be right back. It's too hot. No, wait. The cat ran outside. No, my papers fell. Okay. Alright, guys. We'll meet you. Hey guys, we just came back and now I'm gonna pack our painting stuff in this little thing right here that I have. We have our Dollar Tree stuff. I have my cup for refill water and paintings. It's 97 degrees outside. We're gonna go outside and try it out for a few. We'll see how the weather is. Cat. I'm gonna put on the cat. Hey guys, I'm headed back to work, so I dropped my brother off. We finished painting as you saw in the previous clips, and I'm headed to work, which is about 45 minutes away from me. I was supposed to be there at 12 o'clock. It's 11:56 and it's 45 minutes away. So I'm gonna be there at 12:38. Okay, we gotta get better. I hope like me recording my days now at work and stuff, I could be on time because I'm always late. So hopefully I can like put up front the video, you know, like at least because I'm recording I can at least show up early, you know. But just know, like if I'm ever late to something, it's because I was doing something prior to what was going on. But prior to going to work, prior to whatever event, whatever scheduled thing. So yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all there. I'm in the highway interstate right now. So I'm gonna lock in. So bye guys. Hey guys, so welcome back. So after you see, wait, look at the sunset. Look at that sunset reflecting off that window. Okay, okay, yeah, so now we're about to I just did my little workout. Calisthenics. Callus aesthetic, something like that. Callus aesthetic. Anyways, so I just did that workout. Now I'm outside, about to do my Bible reading. Let me just show y'all something real quick. Show you how behind I am on my 365 reading with the Bible project, the Bible recap. Look how many missed days I'm supposed to be here. I'm all the way back. I'm all the way on day 4. And y'all see, I think the date is on there. See, so start. So today I'm on day 4 of that. I'm supposed to be on day 138. But we're moving. We'll get there. So yeah. But I did find a gift card holder for the gift card that I had that I was like trying to figure out. I was upset about. I found a gift card holder at a different store. But now we're about to do my Bible reading and call it a night, honestly. Take a shower and then call it a night. But yeah, so that was my day today. So see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. About to make my cat some food. This is what happened yesterday. I left it exactly where it was. I read like 2 chapters and it ended. But I just want to say good morning. About to get ready for work. About to feed my cat. And then we're gonna get ready for work and then we're gonna head out. So yeah. I'll meet y'all when I'm getting ready. What? What are you saying? Meow, meow. He's hungry. Look at him. Okay, so I got ready. I'm on my way to work. It's so late.
And the industrial park where she was killed, the only other place to was just
like the only way you could tell it's a cute shirt is if you look. Does it look wrinkly? Oh, bro. Hey guys, so it's this next day. I'm about to film a YouTube video, guys. We're back with the video. Let's go. My cat just jumped on this thing. Give me a second. Alright guys, I'm back. So my cat is back off the thing. So I just got this wig that we're gonna fix. And we're gonna put on our head. for this quick YouTube video. A lot has happened, guys. So the business is moving forward, you know, the agency is moving forward. A lot is going on. I gotta figure out my legals. Good thing that the job I have, I get free legal counsel on certain things that I need legal counsel with. So hopefully they can help me with my business. I have some documents I'm gonna ask them, like what else do I need before I start operating. Right now I'm just what do you call it? Right now I'm just doing trial runs with people. I'm not taking anyone's money right now, so it's safe. All I have is just the like all that's registered is the business. Like the business is the only thing that's registered. And in fact, yes, I do wear glasses. So I'm in the bathroom right now. So I need to see my hair. So I have a synthetic wig on my head. As you can see, synthetic wig. Oh my cat! What's my cat doing? Oh look, he's now crying because you jumped on that. So for synthetic. No, I'm about to run out. Oh, this cat is funny. But this is what I use for my synthetic wigs. Like this is what I use. I just spray it and I just brush. Is this hair like king curly? Got a lot of things. This is my cat. This is my cat. Hey cat. Alright, let's find his last known address and bring him. Guys, if you actually like smile and cheer up and just move forward, yo, like, and just remember God, you will be fine. Trust. An oval face like me, bangs are your best friends. Like, bangs are your best friend. Like, and I noticed that with every hairstyle, even curly, short, long, anything, it's bangs. It was a move I took 3 years ago, and I never went back. Ever since then. No. It's right now. This is the first one I bought. This is the second one that I have. But I just. Anyways. But I've been wearing human hair lately, so I didn't really need synthetic spray because it was human hair. But yeah, so here's my hair. It was still hot, so we're gonna turn that off. But yeah, okay, let's go film this YouTube video. Let's go film this YouTube video. It's just a baby. Baby, baby, baby. Are you a baby? Are you a baby? Are you a baby? Are you a baby? He is a baby. You're 14 years old, right? 14 weeks. You 14 weeks? No. Okay. Don't touch that, it's hot. Hey guys, so I just want to check in. Today is Wednesday the 1st. Happy 1st of the month. I'm going to work right now. I'm about to clock into work, actually about to check in. But I just want to check in. I finished the YouTube video and I started the same night that I recorded it. I started to edit it and then I didn't finish it, but then I was trying to finish it today, to finish editing today, but then I didn't finish editing so I can upload it for Thursday, for tomorrow, so it can go. Did not finish it. So tonight I need to upload the video so it can go up tomorrow at like 6 o'clock, or even by tomorrow morning. Like I need it scheduled for tomorrow so I can put it up tomorrow and then post this vlog on Sunday, and then like record weekly, like vlogs gonna go up every Sunday. Just keep me consistent. I'm recording my life every day now. Everyday life, my life's being recorded. So yeah, so let's go to work right now. All I do is work, right? Yeah. All right guys, all I do is work. But let's go into work, and yeah. Today we are at Baker's. Alright, talk to y'all later. Peace. Hey guys, so welcome back. It's a couple days later. I don't know. No, it's actually the next day. Okay, so I edited the video to be uploaded today. So the video is going to be uploaded today at 6. So right now it's 4:31. And I had to work, but I just changed my schedule really quickly because I don't know, I'm just so tired. I'm just gonna go for 1 hour, and if they don't have the stuff I need, we're leaving. And then my car needs to be fixed or whatever. Oh my gosh, my cat's crying. This is so annoying. My car needs to be fixed for some reason. It's making weird noises. But we move forward, right? But yeah, the video is gonna be out tonight. Go watch. But what we're gonna do right now is clean my apartment because it's literally mess. Like me and my cat, we really just be here to just like clean up real quick. I'm just running in and out. The cat is here, I'm here. So we're gonna just start by cleaning the living room. So let's get started with that. And yeah, I don't know, I'm just very tired and exhausted. Look, I built him his little thing right. It was like near the window more, but I moved it. He was just on that thing, but he's gone now. But yeah, we're gonna just clean up real quick. So let's get into it.
Yeah.
Put the volume to 3. Hey guys, so it's the 4th of July. We're going to a little gathering. Lavender and I are going somewhere. So yeah, this is my outfit. Like I don't think I told you about my outfit inspo from now on is Western, so I'm wearing everything Western. So we're wearing cowboy hats today to this gathering. But I have to pack everything in this house for him. So yeah, so let's just get ready. Let's start packing for Lavender. Yo, also like the day has been heavy. Like I was supposed to do like a lot of things today for my job and I just left it. I just left it hanging. I just was like, not me. I was like, not I. So then I like just did not do it. Yo, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous because they were like, there's a rate. Oh shit, I put the wrong one. I put the wrong one, guys. There is a rate that you have, and they said in the 4 weeks if you're not above that rate, was above the specific number within your 4 weeks, then they're gonna take you out of your zone and put you on call. That's scary. Because I just hate that, like, even though like I'm able to do the job, I've connected with so many different stores that like if I leave them, I'm like, but they're like, they don't care. They do not care. They don't care.
They say what's happening, man. It's Tip Harris, host of Expedition. Telling you, man, come on over to Spotify, man, and remember, Spotify subscribe. You look commercials on my show.
Like I was supposed to go to this one store today, and I didn't even call to like check the time because today is a holiday, and on the Google Maps it said closes at 7 and it was 6:15, and I had to go to 2 different stores like that, like a baker's. I had to go to 2 different bakers, and no, Hy-Vee. And like, oh my gosh, I was like, it's 6:15. If they both close soon, what is the point of me going? So I was just like, YOLO that. I was supposed to go yesterday, mind you, but there was a thunderstorm yesterday, so I couldn't go nowhere yesterday because of this severe thunderstorm. So I had to move everything to today, and then I had to work today at my other job, 8 to 2. 8 to 2. And I was like, okay, bet. Like I could then originally I was like, okay, bet. Like on Thursday I booked all these things for Friday. But come to find out, Friday is a thunderstorm. So we can't do anything about it. So yep, that's what I'm talking about. Use the bathroom now. We love blush, so I have blush blindness. I'm not lying, actually, guys. Just put a lot of blush on my face. So, but you know what? We YOLO. Today's the last day of this vlog. We're gonna find out. A lot has happened. My ESA letter got denied. So now my cat I can't have him as an emotional support animal. I gotta have him as a regular pet. Guys, so much is like, bro, I was not planning for this. I was not planning on paying for my cat monthly rent. Bro, what? So now I gotta do that. Like, what? Yeah, I definitely gotta lock in now. Wake up in the dark. I don't know what it looks like. Just paint all over my face. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, guys. So also look guys, I got him this for Happy 4th of July. And he got a cowboy hat that we're gonna be matching. Okay. Is this too long? Maybe it is too long, but this is the outfit. Happy 4th! Hey guys, so it's the end of the day. It's literally the next day though, it's midnight. But I want to say, thank you guys again for watching this vlog. You know, God is really good. God is faithful. That's what we learned this week. Went through a lot. I met with clients. Today's 4th of July. Saw fireworks, hung out with my siblings a couple days ago, and then hung out with them again today with my aunts, my cats. So a lot of good vibes. So like God is good, you know. So never give up on Him. He's faithful. A lot of ups and downs. Like my ESA cat thing got denied. That put me back. So, but yeah, God is faithful. We'll figure it out, you know. But yeah, so I want to say thank you guys for watching the video. New vlog next week. Happy Sunday if you're watching on Sunday, or watching this happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah. So thank you guys again for watching this week in my life vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was my first one ever. I filmed a lot of things. I tried to do my best to film as much as I could on the days that I could. But I'm excited for this next week. So let's go, guys. All right. Good night, guys, from Lavi and I. See you next video. Peace.